Welcome to Wilderness and Earthkeeping. I am so looking forward to this course, and I just want to give you a few introductory thoughts in this video. First of all, of course, invite you to take a look at the syllabus and the immersion information. Those are both available just below this video on Canvas. And tell you how excited I am to get to know you as my students in a way that I don't typically get to do in other classes at Fuller, because we're going to be stuck together in the wilderness for days on end in the middle of July. But I anticipate a challenging and beautiful time together. As you'll gather from the course description, my aims for this course are many, but of course they're aims that are determined especially by our shared commitment to Christian discipleship and to learning from God's presence in the wilderness how to live faithfully as Christians in the cities, even if we're in suburban areas, but the cities where we find ourselves today. That presents a host of challenges to us in terms of the care of our places, and especially the way that our understanding of place determines our relationship with our neighbors. So you'll notice that I am hoping to learn together from the wilderness how Christian discipleship involves a very serious commitment to racial justice, for example, in the cities where we're living, and to learn from the landscape, and especially the wilderness landscape, how God might be calling us to that. It's going to be a variety of elements of this course, of course, not only the typical kind of respond to readings and forums as we prepare for our immersion time together, and then also reflect back on it, but also some other modes of sharing with each other. I'm going to be inviting you to read from meaningful passages of Scripture on video, to share videos using your phone perhaps of meaningful places to you where you live now, both before and after our immersion experience in Colorado together. We'll be drawing inspiration from poetry that has come to shape my own patterns of language and imagination as a Christian, but also I hope poetry and other similar kinds of art that have been formative for you and may become more formative because of this class. So I hope there will be a kind of rich diversity of expression to and from one another as we learn in this class. So welcome to this course on wilderness and earthkeeping, and I look forward to our communications in the coming weeks. Starting in week 1, you'll see a module available for you that will invite you to participate in a couple of learning activities for that first week, and we will go from there. Don't hesitate to call upon me, whether it's by email or through the general questions forum that you see just below this video as well. Information for how to do that kind of thing is also in the syllabus, but I want to be available to you in the coming days as the course begins, and especially for you as you will no doubt have questions that emerge about the wilderness experience that we'll be sharing together. Please don't feel any hesitation about asking me any questions or voicing any concerns that you have about that. I know this is an unusual part of a course, being at a backpacking base camp and then 5 days of wilderness backpacking together. I know for some of you that's going to be a first time kind of experience, and I don't want you to deal with unnecessary uneasiness or disturbing questions that you have that we could actually address before we get out there. Obviously, we won't be able to totally put all of us at ease, because the wilderness rightly inspires a measure of unease in all of us. That's part of the purpose of going and experiencing it together. But I don't want you to be panicked, and I want you to feel like you have good communication with me before we find ourselves together there in southern Colorado and in the San Juan National Forest. So please don't hesitate to communicate with me at any time in the days ahead, and I look forward to interacting with you in some forums, seeing your face and hearing your voice on some videos, but then of course especially being with you in southern Colorado in the middle of July. So welcome to the course, and look forward to the days ahead.